Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to customize your product page. So this is gonna be a pretty easy and simple video. First of all, let's go to our dashboard, go to plugins and add new. Search for WooCommerce, click on here and click on enter. When you finish with that, all you need to do is click on install now from here and then activate it. So that's pretty much it. Now go to install plugin, check if it is active from here and then activate it through this section. When you finish with that, all I need you guys to do is actually go to your inactive to check if there is any other WooCommerce products that are inactive, for example Pinterest for WooCommerce, then activate them. Now refresh the page and you will notice that there is some 5 other menu sections that has been added to your WooCommerce product or to your dashboard, I mean. So now to be able to actually customize your product page, and just go to products, create a new product. For example, let's add a new product. Let's name it Pringles 3. So here we go, Pringles, salt. And here what I'm going to do is pretty much easy. You can customize it with adding images. So here it is an image. Here salt and for example vinegar. So let's add it vinegar. And here we go. Here I will just add for example another image or something like that. Your favorite snack is back, and I will put it for example here in the middle, and I will make it big and heading, and I will add for example here in the middle as well. For only $2 you can have your best movie nights ever snack, and something like that can be good actually, so we can keep it that way. And here guys, what I'm going to do is actually add the price, so let's add $2, and here I will add category, and here some other information. For example, let's copy this again and let's paste it over here. Now let's go ahead and publish it and see how we customize our page. So here we go, view page, and here it is. So this is our your favorite snack is back. This is the image. This is like the description, some extra information about it. So yeah, and these are like the related products, and here they can order it. So yeah guys, that's how you can edit your page or your product page in WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.